Hi, everybody. So this week, I want to show you a really fun and simple, and yet again, another easy trick that will help you improve success in your business and give you more time as well. And it's so simple. And it's using Google Documents' own voice typing. This is a game changer. I know I talked about this last week and in my recent podcast episode, but I've got to say, this is a complete game changer. And this is how it works. Really simple. So I've got it switched on already. Load up a brand new Google Doc. And then all you do is you head over to Tools, click on that, and then head down to voice typing. Once you've done that, you'll see a little microphone appear on here. And then all you do is you click to speak. And as I start speaking, you will see all of my words coming out of my mouth, transcribing into text onto the screen. Now, I've just turned off the microphone there, but as you can see, it's picked up the first bit because I didn't press it properly correctly. But as you can see, it literally transcribes everything. Now, there's a couple of things to be aware about. I am using a microphone here, my Blue Yeti. Now, this allows me to speak into it clearly, and I use it for my podcast. You don't need a microphone. You can use the microphone on your laptop. If you've got a microphone or one with a headset, then of course that is going to make it a little bit easier. And if you have any crazy kids or crazy animals that's going to run in the room, if you're homeschooling right now, then of course it might not pick up everything clearly. There is a few discrepancies sometimes, but it's generally quite good and it transcribes very clearly if you speak clearly. A couple of things you can do as well. So I'm going to now turn the function back on, and then I'm going to use the keyboard to enter the commas and full stops of when I want to. Here we go. For this next line, I would like to share with you one thing. And that next thing is all about using punctuation. So there you go. You can see that it's added the comma, and that's because I pressed it. Now you can actually add punctuation through your voice. And to do that, all you do is click help, go onto documents help. If you click onto voice typing, what this will allow you to do is it will then show you a whole list of the commands of, say, new line, new paragraph. Now, if you are watching this in obviously the UK, we say full stop instead of period, but you do have to say period if you want to add a full stop. But if you say new line, new paragraph, into the actual microphone, it will do that for you. So let me show you. Here we go. Okay. Let's try a new line, shall we? New line. New line. And on this line, I want to tell you something amazing. New paragraph. There you go. Isn't that just like magic? It's crazy, isn't it, right? So this is something that is so simple. It's very fun, and it's allowed me to back so much more content, so much more quickly. I've wrote like 2 to 3 blogs in a short space of time, rather than just spending all day on it, from typing out, making it cold, robotic. It just allows that authenticity to come from my heart and straight onto the actual document. It's so simple, it's so easy, and I highly recommend that you give it a go. So that's my tip for this week. Google Docs voice typing, give it a go. It works fantastically. It will allow you to have more time in your business. And if you can speak, then you can transcribe into text. Give it a go. Hope it works out for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can find out more tips from me each week. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.